Welcome, I'm Pete Nurse and it's my pleasure to show you this introduction to Jix. But before we get started, the writing in red, the warning in red says Jix is designed for use only by Joomla super administrators with an excellent understanding of the Joomla database. If used incorrectly, your website could be corrupted or destroyed. Back up your system before use. And as it says there, you have been warned. After installation of Jix, the Jix entry will appear under Components, and I should say at this time that Jix is configured to be used only from the administrator section of Joomla. It does not operate in the front end for pretty obvious security reasons. This release of Jix has been pre-configured with users and contact details tables. As well as that, we've got the Jix configuration tabs, Jix tables, Jix fields and Jix indexes. The first and simplest feature of Jix is that you can export a configuration to a CSV file. I won't go into it deeply at the moment, but that exported CSV file will be the template for your import file, and in this case we have a CSV file correctly formatted to import a new user into our system. Imported successfully. Let's have a look back at users, and indeed we have a new user, which happens to be me. Just to confirm that, I'll go to User Manager, and there it is. In the particular case of user, the user table, a password is imported as well, and obviously the password is encrypted to Joomla's requirements. I'll import contact details as well. Now, and in the same way as we have imported user details and contact details, we can in fact import the Joomla configuration. So we can reconfigure Joomla by Jix by using Jix itself. Notice here, Jix tables, fields, indexes, users, contact details are the tabs that we see across there. I'm now going to import into those three Jix configuration tables. And when we go back here, we'll see that there are three new tabs: sections, categories and content, and they correspond directly with sections, categories and content in the Jix table. For completeness, we import fields as well. They're the fields within the tables that we want to handle, and for technical reasons that I won't worry about at the moment, we need to import indexes. Suffice to say, it's essential to the correct operation of Jix that we import indexes as well. Now we can import a new section, category and content. Just a minor change. I'll change this over to verbose import and save, and you'll see soon what that does for you. For those of you who understand SQL, this shows us the SQL statement that is produced by Jix and carried out by Jix. We'll do the same thing with categories, and then we'll do the same thing with content. Let's go and have a look in the article manager. I'll sort that by date, and there's my new article together with a little message for you. saying, now you've learned how to use Jix. Congratulations. That's the end of my introduction to Jix. If you'd like to know anything more about Jix, or if you'd like to download Jix, please go to www.jix.com.au. My name is Pete Nurse.